Are you ready to streamline your booking process and elevate the Instagram game? Today we are diving into how to add Vagaro booking to your Instagram profile in just few simple steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. This is where all the magic begins. Tap on the edit profile button. This is crucial as it allows you to make changes that will enhance how clients interact with your account. Scroll down to find contact options. Here you will be able to customize how potential clients can reach you. Now look for the action button section, tap on it and select book. If Vagaro is set up correctly, you should see it listed as one of the options. If not, ensure that your Vagaro account is linked properly. Once you have selected Vagaro as your booking option, make sure to save your changes. This step is essential to ensure that clients can now book appointments directly through your Instagram profile. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully added Vagaro booking to your Instagram profile, making it easier for clients to reschedule appointments with you. Remember, a well-connected Instagram can significantly boost your business visibility and client engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy booking.